Good day everyone, good day ma'am. I am Raymer Maral Camero from BSIT 1D and this is my case study. The app that I chose is Zillow Push to Talk, PTT. So as you can see, I am using my phone because I don't have the hard copy yet. And this is the soft copy. So let's begin. Introduction. Background of this. Zillow is an application that efficiently transforms our smartphone digital walkie-talkies. It leverages the capabilities of modern networks to provide a scalable and highly effective communication solution. Purpose. The main purpose of Zillow is to offer immediate low-latency voice communication services over different network settings, connecting distant location without the requirement for conventional radio equipment. And why I chose this Zillow? Zillow is a perfect example of a real-time voice data transmission process. The system architecture of Zillow emphasizes the use of the user datagram protocol in networking. This makes Zillow an ideal choice for studying data communication and networking concepts. So part 2. How it's used. The way it works is that a user presses a virtual button on their screen to send a voice message to a particular group or channel in real time. This is similar to the way two-way radio works, except that it is based on IP networks. Users. Zillow has numerous applications in different fields that requires instant group communication. The main users include logistics companies for dispatch and coordination, emergency services for handling critical events and event coordination, teams for effective communication during large-scale events. Type of data. The main type of data is being transmitted in Zillow is real-time voice over IP packets. In addition to this, data related to the status of the user, like online, talking, that is also being transmitted. And part 3, definition. Data communication as it relates to Zillow is the digital encoding and transmission of audio signals over packet switch networks. This allows voice message to segmented into packets which are then reassembled at the receiving end. Network type. Zillow supports both wide area networks and wide area networks through cellular data connectivity such as 4G and 5G networks and wireless local area networks. Through Wi-Fi connectivity, this ensures uninterrupted communication whether the users are mobile or in a local area network setup. Importance. The prime importance of this data communication in Zillow is its capability to facilitate instant communication, which lacks inherent range constraints compared to conventional radio hardware. By using global IP networks, Zillow eliminates geographical constraint to facilitate smooth communication over long ranges. Okay, I'm already at the part 4. OSI model. When analyzing Zillow through the lens of the OS model, particular layers come into prominence. Session layer. That one. This layer is responsible for controlling the establishment, management, and release of communication sessions. This is important in the Zillow application because it is used to control the beginning and end of a voice push and ensure that the communication channel is opened and closed correctly for each message. Presentation layer, layer 6. This layer deals with data translation and compression. In the context of Zillow, this layer is responsible for audio compression, for example, using Opus codec to ensure optimal voice data transmission over the network. TSIP model in the TCP TCP model. In the TCP/IP model, Zillow primarily utilizes transport layer. This layer is responsible for the segmentation of data, communication establishment, and reliable data transfer. Application layer. This is where the user interface and application logic of Zillow are implemented, allowing users to interact with the system and establish voice communication. Application. The application of these models will ensure that the analog voice input is converted into digital form, segmented into packets, and then routed to the correct group. Part 5. UDP, User Datagram Protocol. It is one of the fundamental protocols used in Zillow's voice streaming service. UDP is connectionless protocol that favors speed over guaranteed packet retransmission. This property is essential in real-time voice communication, where latency is of utmost importance even if it involves the loss of a packet. HTTPS. These are protocols used for the initial login into an account and the secure synchronization of contact list and channel data. The HTTPS protocol is especially used for the encryption of user data during transmission. Opus codec. Opus codec is widely accepted standard for compressing high-quality audio signals into smaller data packets that can be transmitted over a network. The efficiency and flexibility of Opus codec make it the best choice for Zillow as it enables voice communication even in poor network conditions. Part 7. Part 6, Transmission mode. The main transition mode used in Zillow is half duplex. This is because it imitates the way normal radio works. In this case, only one individual is able to talk at a time as the others listen. However, once the talker releases the PTT button, others are able to start the transmission. Transmission media. Zillow employs both unguided and guided transmission media. Unguided media. This includes radio waves used for cellular data, 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi communications, which facilitate wireless communication between mobile devices and access points. Guided media. Fiber optic cables are generally used to connect server data centers, offering high bandwidth and low latency connectivity for Zillow's worldwide operation. Part 7. Application layer. Layer 7. This user talks into the microphone while pushing the PTT button on the Zillow application interface. The application responds to the input. Presentation layer. Layer 6. Session layer. Layer 5. The raw voice information is compressed with the Opus codec presentation layer. At the same time, a communication session is established or maintained to deal with the push or the voice information. Session layer. 3. Transport layer. Layer 4. The compressed audio is then packaged into UDP segments. UDP is chosen at this layer because of its speed and overhead, which are essential for real-time voice. Network layer. Layer 3. Data link layer. Layer 2. Physical layer, layer 1. The UDP segments are encapsulated in IP packets, which are then sent over the network's infrastructure, data link, and physical layers. The packets are routed into Zillow server and then broadcasted to receiving device. Receiver. Decapsulation. Once the packets arrive at the receiving device, the reverse process takes place. The packets are decapsulated by the physical, data link, network, and transport layers. The compressed audio is then sent to the presentation layer for decompression and finally to the application layer, where the audio is played instantly through the speaker. So this is the diagram. I'll be editing and put there in the video. So wait a minute and I'll find it. Where is it? Where is it, bro? So, this one. Oh my god. This one. I'm gonna put there. So, as you can see, we have the visual representation of network diagram that illustrate the full flow of data within the Zillow PTT system. On the left, you can see the sender's mobile device, which initiates the voice message. This device connects via wireless link, either cellular data or Wi-Fi to the broader internet. The data then enters the internet cloud, representing the vast global network infrastructure. Crucially, within the cloud, the voice data is handled by the Zillow server, which acts as the central point for processing and routing messages. From the Zillow server, the message travels through another wireless link to reach the receiver's mobile device on the right. The arrows clearly indicate the flow of information and labels UDP packets and voice data, highlights the nature of information being transmitted and the key protocol facilitating this real-time communication. This diagram captures the entire communication pathway. So, conclusion of this case study. Summary. The Zillow push-to-talk solution is an excellent example of how contemporary packet switching networks can successfully emulate the significantly enhanced traditional radio communication. By By utilizing IP-based technology, Zillow effectively bypasses the range and infrastructure-related constraint of older radio system, providing a highly flexible and scalable solution for instant voice communication globally. And importance, this case study powerfully emphasizes the critical importance of selecting the right network protocols to precisely meet the requirements of an application. Zillow's successful implementation relies heavily on UDP for its main voice communication. This demonstrates that prioritizing speed and low latency is paramount for real-time services, even if it means a slight compromise on reliability compared to TCP. This strategic protocol choice is directly responsible for Zillow's success as an effective digital walkie-talkie. So this is the end of the video, or rather presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand this presentation. Thank you.